There's a brand new Filipino spot here in our neighborhood in San Gabriel. We were so excited when we heard it was coming in. It was just added to Blossom Market Hall. If you missed our first Blossom Market video, you should go check it out after this. But it's a great little food hall here in the SGV. It's a bit of a hidden gem, but we wanted to go check it out, and I can't think of anything better to do on a Friday after work. And we're even meeting up with a friend. Let's go, we're hungry.
This is Longsilog.
Longsilog, anything else?
We love eating inside the food hall, but the music was really loud today in there, so we thought we'd just come outside where it's a little bit quieter. And it's actually a really nice day. It's not too hot, which is amazing. But I wanted to start with a classic. We got Pansit, although this is like the biggest Pansit I think I've ever ordered. Look at that. Smells very good. Must start with the lemon. If you don't have lemon, if you don't have citrus, what are you even doing? All right, a fork somewhere. Okay. Get a little bit of everything in here. That's really tasty. Of course, you're hit with the garlic up front, but like, it's also really fresh tasting. Sometimes you might get this and it won't taste quite so fresh. This is super fresh. I love all the vegetables in there. Yeah, you can't go wrong with that huge hit of garlic, and the lemon, very nice.
I really wanted to get the lumpia that they had here. It looked really good, but you can only order it 2 different ways. So you can get like a huge platter of lumpia, which is like 20 or something, or you can get lumpia silog. I hope that was what this is called, but it's like lumpia Shanghai with garlic, rice, and runny eggs on top. This looks like kind of an ultimate indulgent brunch option for me, or any time of day if you like eggs. Try the lumpia first. Got some sauce. Wow. So, really good. These lumpia are really, I was gonna say beefy, but I'm pretty sure it's pork, right? So, I was gonna say, we're here with our friend Ryan.
Hi, Ryan.
I feel like this is really packed with meat, and typically in this kind of thing, there's like gonna be meat and cabbage and other vegetables mixed in there, but these are like super beefy. These are good. So let me cut up some of these runny eggs with rice and mix it all together and see what happens.
It's gotta be a garlic rice, right?
Yeah, it's definitely garlic rice. You can see the garlic in it. Runny eggs and garlic rice. Really good. The egg is like perfect. It's nice and runny. And who doesn't love like a runny yolk with rice? Great. And then combined with the lumpia, it's a complete meal.
It's definitely my favorite kind of breakfast, like some type of runny egg and rice combo.
Yeah. It's awesome. All right, we're here with our friend Ryan. What's up, Ryan?
Hey, what's up? How you guys doing? I'm Ryan.
Yeah. So, what'd you get?
So I got the Longsilog. It is Filipino sausage with the garlic rice and the runny egg.
Yes.
What's that sauce? What's that?
This is like vinegar with some stuff in it. Usually they put garlic and chili. This is actually one of my favorite parts about this because you dip like the sweet salty sausage into the vinegar and it just really like balances everything out. It's perfect.
And the first time I had ever eaten
Longanisa?
Longanisa.
Yeah.
The first time I had ever eaten longanisa was actually at Ryan's house. He like made me this dish. He's a good cook, so yeah, chef.
Thank you. So I guess I'm gonna dig right in.
Yeah, go for it, man.
I don't have a knife, so I'm gonna do this the best I can. So like actually, usually this has like this bright red casing on it, and you need a knife to cut into it, but this looks actually like it's homemade, and so I'm just gonna try to cut into it with my spoon, see what happens, which is not happening.
You got it, you got it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So like, this doesn't look fake, and it doesn't look bright red. Usually you have to plan like 2 days in advance if you're gonna hang out with any other friends, because the burps that this stuff causes are like toxic. Obviously like super garlicky, but there's like other stuff in there. I don't know what it is and I never ask because I'm afraid I won't like it anymore.
It's kind of like learning how the sausage is made. Just enjoy it.
Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna dip it into the vinegar. I'm gonna cut some of this egg. And like you were saying, like one of the best combos, I used to eat it almost every day growing up, was rice and eggs. And like with garlic in there, I'm also gonna take a little bit of this tomato because it also like balances everything out. All right, I'm gonna give this a try now. Super fresh tasting, not super fatty. A lot of times when you make this at home, you poke into the skin and it squirts back at you from all the fat. You end up with this like red stain on your shirt, but not this one. This is like one of the best ones I've ever tried.
It looks big too.
I mean, they're usually pretty big like this, but I think it's definitely homemade. It's really good.
From the little bit of research I did about this place, Almuchow, is that what it's called? The original location is in West Covina, and we've been out there to try some Filipino food. I think recently we went out to try Tony's barbecue. That was really great, but this is their second location. Man, I have to say, so far so good on everything. All three of these dishes really hit it out of the park. Everything is just like, I know I said this before, but especially fresh tasting. I mean, they make it right there in front of you while you wait at the counter. And the portions, would we say the portions are pretty decent size?
Yeah.
Yeah, like it's a pretty good value. So they're kind of hitting the mark on different categories. Really good.
A really fun thing too about being at Blossom Market Hall, it's like full of these great eateries. Obviously it's a food hall, but there's a bar in the middle of it that is called Bar Blossom. They've changed a few times, but I hope this one is here to stay. And they have really, really good craft beer on draft. They have really good California wines. They do like some soju cocktails, kind of getting that angle. And it's great. Like I'm having this, it's called a Cascada, I believe. It's a pale ale from the Del Pueblo Brewery up in Pasadena. So it's cool to come to like this very local feeling market hall, kind of food hall, and get a very local food, local beverages. It's a lot of fun.
I think they even have like some happy hour deals.
Yeah, they have happy hour deals. I think they also will give you a discount. Like if you're gonna get food first and you walk into the bar area with your food, they'll give you a discount on your alcohol as well. So it's a pretty fun time here at Blossom.
To Fridays.
Fridays, yeah.
Cheers. So it's so fun to have our friend Ryan here. We've been friends for a long time. We've had lots of off-camera food adventures together over the years. He's a huge foodie. But put in the comments below, would you like to see more of Ryan in our videos in the future? Almuchow or Almuchow, however you say it, was wonderful, super delicious. But we need something sweet before we leave Blossom. So this tea spot is relatively new, so we thought we would check that out too. Let's try it. We were in the mood for matcha today. There's a matcha milk tea with boba. Got the big size. This is really good. They don't hold back on the matcha flavor. It's like a punch of matcha. It tastes really authentically matcha. It's really good. They do make some really funky drinks too. They even make a halo halo, but we were so full from the food that we're like, it's a little bit too much. So we went with our teas today, but I think we'll be back here.
Well, thanks again for coming along with us to Blossom Market Hall as we had some really, really good bomb Filipino food and ended it with some boba tea. If you're in the area, if you're in like East LA, get yourself over to Blossom Market Hall. It's a great time, and it's a great time. Until next time, cheers.